Hi, I'm Obijit Kumar Das. I'm an academia in finance and banking and accounting field, and I'm working in Denmark for more than 16 years in different position in accounting, finance position, and living as a Danish citizen now. My circle of competence actually in the finance and the accounting field related to the personal finance and investment option in Denmark. That's why I choose one of the area investment option. It's a passive income for the people who are um, who have a car in Denmark, and it's actually the video for the people who are living who have a car and also who wanted to rent the car, and there are some tax exemption or tax-free amount, and thus I'm going to simplify in this video. Before moving forward, remember that this is a disclaimer from my side. I'm not a certified financial advisor or anything. So if you make any decision, you have to make your due diligence by yourself. So please, and beside that, one of the strongly request people are following and watching this video. 92% actually the people are watching and following this channel, but they are not subscribed. So it's take 1 to 2 seconds to subscribe, and it will be encourage me the time I like to cover related to the personal finance, related to the investment option in Denmark and all over the world, and related to the finance and accounting, the circle of competence I have, I like to share with you. And this is my niche, and this is my area I like to emphasize on you. Please, so please subscribe this channel. So jumping to the point, the car owner who are living in Denmark, who are the point that don't use their car, they have a chance to rent it and make some money passively, and a certain amount of money you don't have to pay for that, and thus I'm going to simplify in this video. So there are platform is called GoMore.dk, and if you use that platform, you can and posting some picture and everything, and the private customer or the renter, the booking your car, and they can rent it for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, depend on when you are free. You can make the availability of your car the day you don't use that, and the private customer that can rent it your car. So when you use the GoMore platform, rented the car, and it will be there are insurance also will be covered. It's called Coden Insurance Company. It will be covered, and if some accident, damage, if something happened during the rental period, it will be covered by the Coden company. The money you going to make, 20% GoMore will be taken out as administration cost as using their platform, plus the insurance covers, and the 80% you are able to receive that. So it's not bad. Of course, it's a free time. Denmark is a so expensive to all this insurance, all this the car cost is so expensive. If you make some money, cover the money yearly what actually you're spending for your car by rented the car, and you don't use that, it's not bad option. So there are some limit amount you can make, for that you don't have to any pay for tax. If you have a conventional car not electric, and car making more than 50 gram carbon emission, at that time you don't have to pay tax 12,500 as a single person. If you are double, it will be double, 12,500 plus 12,500, 25,000. You don't have to pay for tax. Okay, then for the electric car or plug-in car or hybrid with plug-in, it means the car they are making less than 50 gram carbon emission. At that time you are able to free amount is 23,500 for per person. If you are husband and wife, it will be double up. It will be about to 47,000. You don't have to pay tax for that. Remember that Toyota hybrid plug-in, because I have a Toyota hybrid, not the plug-in. At this time, you have to consider the Toyota Yaris or hybrid. Without plug-in, it will be conventional car. At that time, you will receive 12,500 free amount as a single person. Of course, you are able to get more money than the money as a more than the free amount you have. At that time, the tax will be, you have to pay some tax. How they calculate the tax, I'm going to simplify for you. For example, as a conventional car, you are a husband and wife, you can make a 50,000 for particular year. 25,000 you don't have to pay any tax, it's a tax free. Then rest of the 25,000, out of rest of the 25,000, 40% it will be deducted. You don't have to any pay tax. They consider it some additional repairing cost for that, so you don't have to pay for that 40%. The rest of the money you have to pay 60% tax. So 25,000 tax free, you don't have to pay. Then rest of the 25%, out of 25,000, 40% you don't have to pay tax, and rest of the money you have to pay 60% tax. So I don't think it's so bad if you make more than that. And it's the same process for the conventional electric car also. Remember that as a private owner, you can rent it your car for the one single customer, not more than 1 month. You can do that after 1 month. Again, the new contract, you can rent it to the another customer or the same customer, but the another contract. So you're not going to make more than 1 month for the one customer. Okay. And as a private person who have a driving license legally in Denmark, how do you actually rent the car for the car owner? They also have to use the GoMore platform. They have to use the GoMore platform, and they can request their car they like to rent to the GoMore. They have to send their driving license and also they have to have 21 years old, and they have to have the 1 year's experience to driving in Denmark, or maybe the internationally also more than 1 year experience with the driving license. They try to rent the car. So, and the GoMore, they will be checking, verify their license by their passport and everything, that they can eligible to book the car. So this is the platform that can use for both party, as a car owner, also for the car renter or individual person who like to rent. There are some keyless option. You can choose this option. For the keyless means you don't have to be standby for the car owner to pick up the car. You just put your key on the box inside your car, and the renter will be come and pick up your car automatically. So this is the flow you can follow. And the keyless means you don't have to stay, but at the take this service you have to pay 300 count per month as extra cost. GoMore will be charged for that. I think this is a good, but if you don't choose that, at that time you have to stand by until wait for the renter will become and give it your key and checking the driving license and everything. I think it's a quite hassle. So if you don't have to care about anything, and the GoMore keyless option will be take care everything. If you choose that option, you have to pay 300 extra cost. I think it's a not bad idea. And also the fuel and everything, speed limit also controlling by the GoMore. So I don't think it's a bad idea. There are, if you have a conventional car, you make a 25,000, you don't have to pay tax, and more than that, there are some tax option I already described. If you have electric car, it's actually quite big amount. It's a 47,000 about. You don't have to pay tax per year. So if you're not using your car frequently, maybe use few times, so you can rent it your car. and basically you make a money at the parallel you can continue your active job, so and the basically making money you can save and you can invest for your child or focus for anything. So I already have another video, you can check the child option and child investment option. One house pairing I already described, also like Akshay spare control for yourself, you can invest for that, and it will be compounding automatically year to year. And so I mean it's a passive income source beside your active income. So that's all for now. If you like it, if you have any other income passive income sources, you can share here, and I like to hear from you any constructive criticism also. So please, if you like it, if you it's a added any value for your life, please let me know, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much, and bye for now.